ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters. This is your boy Gratitude, and I would kindly like to invite all of you to the outreach, the youngster outreach tomorrow at Saturday, which will be Saturday. We go into Johannesburg, the city of gold. You know what I'm saying? To yeah, to it's a revival. So we will be using a train, preaching inside a train. Those that have the gift to preach will preaching. That have the gift of music, we'll be doing their thing. Prophecy and more will be doing that inside a train to Johannesburg. So if you are available, pitch up and brr, brr, we'll be there.